Hi, boys and girls. This is our math class for Wednesday. I want to thank Mrs. Anthony for taping those 5 lessons for me. It really helped me while I was sick. So, anyway, today we're going to be rounding again or estimating answers, and to do that, we have to round to the nearest 10. Okay. Mrs. Anthony gave you some really good tips. I watched her videos. So, let's flip the camera. Oh. And we're going to work with story problems. One thing that I really liked and I learned from Mrs. Anthony was her little phrase that she said, 4 or less, let it rest. So if the ones digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, let the tens digit stay the same. Okay? 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. So if the ones digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, the tens digit moves up 1. So 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, let it soar. So let's look at these. Destiny organized a walk for charity that was 96 miles long. There's one of my numbers. Of those who started, 99 people completed the walk. There's my other number. About how many miles, so this about tells us that we're going to be doing an estimate, okay? About how many miles were walked by those who completed the walk. Okay, so it's 96 miles long. Here's the 6, so that means we let it soar. So 9 becomes 10. And then we have 99 here again. The 9, let it soar. So we have 10 times, that would be 100. 100 times 100. So we multiply the 1 times 1 and add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10,500 or 10,000, this would be the correct answer. Okay? There are 47 bags filled with coins. There are 88 coins in each bag. About how many coins? Choose the better estimate. So they give you two answers. Here's 47. The 7 tells us to let it soar. So the 4 becomes a 5, and we add a 0 behind it. And then 88, this 8 tells the 8 to soar, so it becomes 9. So 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, and then we have 2 zeros, so we put 2 zeros back here. So 4,500 would be our better answer. Okay, there are 51 squares on each red and white checkered tablecloth. Here's the first number. About how many are there on 5 tablecloths? Now, if you remember when Mrs. Anthony did this, if it was just a single number, she didn't round it at all. So we only have to round one number here. The 1 tells us to let it rest. So we have 50. 51 is closer to 50. Then we multiply times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, and we only have 1 0. So 250 would be our best answer. Okay, 2 more. Alec worked as a camp counselor for 90 days. He earned $79 per hour or per day. About how much did Alec earn? Choose the best estimate. Well, we have 90 times 79. This is already a 10, so we use the 90. That was nice of them. Okay, the 9 tells us to let the 7 soar, so it rounds to 80. We multiply 9 times 8. We get the 72, and then we have 1 0, 2 zeros, so we put those there. 7,200, 7,700. It would be 72. Okay, one more. Wilt bought 22 jigsaw puzzles. Each puzzle had 76 pieces. About how many pieces did Wilt get in all? Choose the best estimate. 2 tells us 22 is closer to 20. 6, 5 or more, let it soar, so the 7 becomes 8. So we multiply 2 times 8, we get 16, and then 2 zeros, because there's 1 0, 2 zeros. So this would be 1,600 would be our best estimate. So you should be able to do this. It seemed like everybody did a good job on this on Friday. So go to IXL D30. Or Monday, I think you did this. D30. Okay? Have a great day.